Hello everyone, you are welcome on Irascible Flow. Today we will see what is cryptography, how mathematics protects privacy, identity, and trust. Cryptography turns information into controlled trust. A practical definition: cryptography uses mathematical algorithms and keys to protect information and communication. It does not hide that a message exists. It makes the message unreadable or unverifiable without the right key or proof. Digital life needs three kind of protection. Private, only intended people can read the data unchanged. Unauthorized changes can be detected, and authentic, identity and origin can be verified. Encryption changes readable data into ciphertext. Plain text input, a readable message file or a data record that is being transferred, and that is algorithm plus key, a mathematical rule and a key transformed data, and the output is ciphertext. Scrambled output, authorized users decrypt it with a permitted key. Cryptography protects more than secrecy. A complete security design usually combines several guidance: confidentiality, prevents unauthorized reading; integrity, makes unauthorized changes detectable; authentication, proves identity or message origin; and provides evidence that an action occurred. Encryption uses either one key or a key pair. Both families are essential. Modern systems usually combine them. One is symmetric, another is asymmetric. So one shared secret key, first for large amounts of data. Same key encrypts and decrypts. Example: AES Chacha 20. This at protecting data at speed. A public and private key pair. Public key encrypts or verifies. Private key decrypts or signs. Examples are RSA, elliptic curves. Best at key exchange and identity. Hashes and signatures answer different questions. Hashing creates a fixed length fingerprint of data. It is one way by design and useful for integrity checks and password storage. Digital signatures, a private key signs, the matching public key verifies authenticity, authenticity and integrity. The goal stayed constant, the tools became mathematical. Classical ciphers, substituted or rearranged letters. Mechanical era mechanical era machines automated increasingly complex transformations. In modern cryptography, algorithms, keys, and computational hardness secure digital systems. You use cryptography throughout an ordinary day. It quietly creates safe channels, protects secrets, and proves identities. HTTPS encrypts browser traffic and authenticates websites. Messaging end-to-end encryption limits who can read a conversation, and software and payments signatures verify updates. Cryptography helps protect transactions. Real security depends on correct key management, trusted randomness, safe protocols, and careful implementation, not on keeping an algorithm secret. Strong algorithms can still fail in a weak systems. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Ears Overflow.